All right, so looks like the oil drain on my race car decided to leak a little bit of oil. I'm going to show you why this is kind of a important big deal. All right, so we're going to slide underneath the car real quick. All right, so right there, that's your oil drain. Let's see if I can make it focus. There we go. So this is your oil drain. So you want to make sure that the fittings here are very tight, because if they're not, it's going to leak oil. Let's see if I can get. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to tighten these fittings. Let me move that out of the way real quick. So there you go. You can see better. You're going to tighten those two Allen wrench bolts, and by making sure those are tight, it hopefully won't leak and hemorrhage fluid all over the track.